Hello, grade 4. Today we will study multiplying by one digit uh, and two-digit factors. We have four strategies that they are very important to solve the multiplication problems. The first one is called area model strategy. For example, 6 times 51. He asked me to draw an area model to solve 6 times 51. Firstly, we put 51 in expanded form. 51 equal in expanded form equal 50 plus 1. Now, we will draw a rectangle as in this figure, 6 here and 50 plus 1. This is one rectangle, and I divided it into two rectangles, 50 times 6 and 1 times 6, or 6 times 50 and 6 times 1. 6 times 50 equal, put this 0, and 6 times 5 equal 30. The result of 6 times 50 equal 300. The second part, 6 times 1 equals 6. Now we will add 306. 300 plus 6 equals 306. Therefore, 6 times 51 equal 306. This is called area model. This is the first strategy to solve the multiplication problem. If we take another, now we want to find the product of 63 times 5. Okay. Draw a rectangle. Its width is 5, and put 63 in expanded form. 63 equal 60 plus 3. Now divide this rectangle into two rectangles. The first one, its length is 60, and the second one, its length is 3. Draw a line. And 5 times 60, first part, equal 300. And 5 times 3 equal 50. Now the product means the result of multiplication. 300 plus 15 equal 315. Therefore, 63 times 5 equal 350. This was the first strategy for multiplication. The second, the distributive property. For example, 6 times 324. In this case, also put the biggest number in expanded form. 324 equal 300 plus 20 plus 4. and 6 times, put two brackets and put in these brackets the expanded form of the greatest number. 6 times 300 plus 20 plus 4. Multiply 6 times 100, 300, and 6 times 20, and 6 times 4. 6 times 300, put the two zeros. 3 times 6 equal 80. 6 times 20, put the 0. 6 times 2 equal 12. 120. 6 times 4 equal 24. Add the three numbers. The result is 1144. Another example, 5 times 132. Put 132 in expanded form equal 5 times 100 plus 30 plus 2. 5 times 100, between brackets, plus 5 times 30 plus 5 times 2. The result of first part, 5 times 100 equal 500. 5 times 30 equal, put the 0. 5 times 3 equal 15. Third part, 2 times 5 equal 10. By adding, the result is 660. The partial product algorithm. If I take an example, 8 times 214. Here, we ask me to use the partial product algorithm. For example, 8 times 214. First, 8 times 200. Use here place value of the digit. Here 2 is 200 because 2 here in the 100 place. Put the two zeros. 8 times 2 equal 16. Here 1 is 10 because 1 here is in tens place. Put the 0. 8 times 1 equal 8. 8 times 4 equal 32. Add all three results. The result is 1712. If we take another example, 3 times 124. Okay. Put here 124. 3. 1 here is 100. 3 times 100 equal 300. Here put in two brackets. What did you do? Here we multiplied 8 times 200. Here 3 times 100. Okay. 2 here is 20. 3 times 20 with the 0. 3 times 2 equal 6. Here 3 times 20. 3 times 4 equal 12. 3 times 4. Make addition. 2, 7, and 3. The result is 372. This is called the partial algorithm strategy. Okay. Strategy is standard multiplication algorithm. For example, 6 times 512, we can solve it by another simple way. 512 times 6, 6 times 2 equals 12. Put 2 and carry up 1. 6 times 1 equals 6, plus 1 equals 7. 6 times 5 equals 30. It is a simple way to solve this problem. Okay. This is the last strategy, and it is called standard multiplication algorithm. Thank you. See you soon. Goodbye.